Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video, I will be showing you how I make my crock pot chicken and vegetable meal. This meal took about 6 hours on high to cook and it is packed with flavor. If you would like to see more on how I cook this meal, then just stay tuned. So the first thing you will see me do is marinate this chicken with Tony C's injectable marinade, which is really good. Now I'm going to cut up my potatoes pretty small and add those to the outer part of the chicken. Next, I will cut up the carrots and then I'll come back in 2 hours and add the green beans. So this is the first time that I'm checking the meal after 2 hours. I was just curious to see how things were going, and as it's getting warmer outside, I'm going to be counting on more crock pot meals to help me beat the heat. So this is just a pause moment for me to encourage you to follow me on my Instagram. If you haven't already done so, you can find me at Shatera Cooper on Instagram. So guys, this is the final result. As you can see, that chicken is literally falling off the bone. Child, this is a simple, healthy meal that you can cook during any time of the day. If you have to go to work, you can put it on low, and when you come home, it'll be ready. And if you're at home like me, you can just put it on high and just enjoy a meal where you don't have to stand up in the kitchen. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a meal suggestion on what you'd like to see me cook next. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!